How to add leads in Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add leads in Zoho CRM. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Zoho CRM website and log into your account. You can sign in with your Google account for a quicker login process. Once you're on the dashboard, find the Leads section. It's usually right in the top menu or sidebar. Click on the Leads tab to open the Leads module. Now, look for a button that says Create Lead and click on it. A new form will pop up where you can enter your leads information like their name, email, phone number, company name, and other relevant details. Make sure you fill in the required fields accurately. This info helps you track and manage your sales better. You can also add extra notes or assign the lead to a specific sales rep if needed. After filling everything, click on the Save button to add the lead to your CRM. Once saved, the lead will show up in your lead list and you can start tracking your communication and follow-ups. That's all for the video.